day, beautiful couples.
Good day.
Please, I want to ask your man a question.
Ask him.
If you are to choose between a lady that has big boobs and big ass, which will you choose?
Well, these two things you have mentioned, the both of them are standing. A time will come, one have to sit down. When he's sitting, it's like the walls of Jericho. It's falling down flat. Nothing holds it, no matter how you try. So I'll go for the one that will stand in eternity. The nyash remains still, no matter what. So I'll go for the big nyash.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Come. But me not get big breast and big ass.
I'll be managing you now. You know the story.
You dey manage me.
Sorry, baby. Somebody, can't I joke with you again?
You dey manage me.
Ah, baby, I'm joking.
Oh, listen there. What should they manage each other?
Baby, I'm joking now.
Hey, please, I'm driving now. I'll call you back later.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
So I want to ask you a question.
Oh, no problem. Go ahead.
If you are asked to choose between a lady that has big boobs and big ass, which will you choose?
You mean big breasts and big yansh?
Yes, sir.
You see, God created ladies in His own image and likeness also. Those things are just material things. I mean, side effects. You don't really need them. So we should accept them the way they are. But if automatically you see a lady having it, you can manage. If she's not having it, you can still manage it. So, nevertheless, I'll still go for big breasts.
Thank you, sir.
Big breasts.
Thank you, sir.